Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5000 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, we need to press and hold the side button and keep holding it until the watch turns off or until you see the Hama logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the button. I would say it takes about 10 seconds. So keep holding the button. And once the screen turns off on your watch, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds. And then you can release it and wait. And I believe after a few seconds the logo will appear. And once it does, you just need to wait until the watch is done rebooting like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.